I guess I should pick a pet. I like that one right there.
Huh? What do you want?
Hello everybody, my name is Puppet and welcome back to Puppet's World. Today we're going to be playing My Grumpy from the game Do Not Disturb. So there's a tutorial. Welcome, this is Grumpy McGrump, your new friend. Go away. Okay. Tap each button to go to different rooms. Oh, so this is like Talking Tom. Grumpy has only two moods, bored and annoyed. If he is bored, try annoying him or playing minigames. If Grumpy needs to go to the toilet or take a shower, take him to the bathroom. If Grumpy is hungry, give him some food. If Grumpy is tired, turn the lights off. You can buy more furniture and customize. Take care of a Grumpy to level up. Oh, so this is like exactly my Talking Tom too. Whoa. Okay. Alright, so he's full there. Oh no, is he gonna use the bathroom? Oh! Okay. Oh! Level 2! Yeah! I'm not sharing that. Just, yeah! Okay, should we check out some of these mini games? Oh, I already see the Odd Ones Out. There's a YouTuber called Odd Ones Out, but I want to play Climb. Tap the sides of the tree to climb. Oh, I get it. Oh, I don't want to go right there. That looks like a woo. Oh, there's bombs too. I'm gonna be quick. Come on, so close. Ooh. No! Dang it. Game over. Okay, I know how to play. You told me like zero. Maybe not. Like, you told. Voice crack. You told me like 2 seconds ago. How do I play a different game? Oh, nope, that's not how you do it. I want to play a different game. Okay, let's play. I don't know. I'm intrigued by Odd Ones Out. Odd One Out. Oh, it's literally in the title. Okay, so alright. Oh, easy. Are they all gonna be like this? Because this is easy. They could have at least made it a little bit more challenging. I'm just saying. No offense. I think I might get a score 100. I bet I won't even get one wrong. If I get one wrong, I will be ashamed of myself. That one. They're getting a little bit more harder. Hey, oh, God. Okay. They're getting a little bit more harder. And by a little, I mean a lot. Okay, yeah. This is easy. Oh, 8 seconds. I wasn't looking at the clock. Come on, green. Okay, that. Oh, that one down and purple. Okay, game over. Let's play a different one. Mix. Alright. Is this like Candy Crush? I'm confused. Oh, I get it. I think I do. Okay. This is like a cool Rubik's Cube puzzle. Alrighty. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. So super easy. Oh, it's getting a little more crowded. Ooh, get that. Uh-oh. Okay, ooh. Okay, let's play something. Oh, hey, yeah. Starter pack? No, I don't want no starter pack. Okay, eats that. Oh. I don't know what to press. I'm just gonna buy a bunch of apples. Or what? What was I pressing? Okay, let's get a. Ooh, when let's see if he'll thank life for the lemons. He's not. Okay, sleep. Night night. Okay, I don't know really what to do. Ooh, we can customize. I really don't like the blue wall. Let's play more mini games, shall we? Alright, so this one's basically Fruit Ninja. So yeah, this is literally just My Talking Tom 2. Oh, don't touch the bomb. Yeah, this is literally My Talking Tom 2. There's mini game in My Talking Tom 2. There's mini games and stuff, and they literally just copied Fruit Ninja. I mean, this is the newest installment of the Do Not Disturb series. I mean, I find them kind of funny. I only want them to make plushies so I can make a proper video about them instead of playing. I mean, I don't imagine they're ever making a Do Not Disturb plushie. I mean, in Do Not Disturb 2, what he pulls out of the mailbox is like a plushie of himself, which I thought was like hinting like, oh, this is like, ooh, like maybe they're gonna, is there like a plushie that's released? I don't know. It was, oh, I touched a bomb. Okay, we only got 7 more minutes of time. Come on. I mean, time on this video. We have a lot of time in this. Oh, wait, we don't even have a time in this game. Ooh, don't touch the bomb. Oh, also, guys, I haven't been uploading in a while. I've been focusing on working on Molly. Sorry. Anyway, let's look at more games. Nothing. Oh, My Boo 2. It's literally just My Talking Tom. And I think that he's at whatever the My Boo thing is like the mascot. Is there any more games? I think we played all of them. Oh no, we haven't played Bubble. This one, I don't think. Oh, so this one is more like Candy Crush. And it's just the mascot of the entire company. So I assume you don't let them touch whatever that white line is. I'm on a fever. I can miss 1 day with school with a fever. Yeah. Uh-oh. Not good. Oh, that was close. Come on. All right. Grumpy's got quite a throw. I just realized that he's like throwing that 10 feet up in the air. Dang. Okay, we need some commentary. What? I don't know. Ooh, that was close. Okay, the background changed. What am I gonna do with that information? A boss approaches. What? Oh, I'm on a fever. I can miss another day with school with that. Okay, come on. How long does this game last? Oh, it doesn't end. So until it crosses that, oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dang it. Round 2, I guess. Let's go. Oh, we have a new color. It's yellow. I don't think I remember yellow being the first one. Or is it gold? This makes me want to play Slime Rancher for some reason. Mainly because they look like slimes. I wonder if I can play Slime Rancher like for a video. My Slime Rancher farm, bro, everybody should see it, bro. It's basically a museum. I don't think too many people play or care about Slime Rancher anymore, but I think it's fun. Like really fun. Like, I don't know, it's just something about the slimes that make it all fun. I know they came out with a Slime Rancher 2 and they're making like plushies and stuff. But they deserve way more. Uh-oh. Go up. Dang it. Alright, we are at stage 4. Oh, God. Oh, okay. First let's eat something. Okay, let's get him some chicken. Why do I keep on making myself hungry? That's the second time I did that. This is right after I recorded the Baby in Yellow video and I saw the toasty thingy. Alright. Take a shower. Take a shower. Take a shower. Okay, what do I do? Because they said he also wants a scrub, but it'll hardly let me move the scrub. Okay, oh. Okay, what do I do? Oh, the thing's full. How did I not realize that? Okay, eat. It won't let me put it in his mouth anymore. He's saying he wants a shower, but I already gave him a shower. The bathroom thing's already full. I really don't understand. Okay, let me just let him sleep. I know this is like the newest game in the franchise, but for some reason it's just not as fun as the other games. Should we end it here? Now let's customize them just a little bit if we can. Nah, one hat is 1,000, 100, 800? Okay. Yeah, I can't afford anything. Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be short. Bro, I swear, when I try and upload this video, it's gonna come up as YouTube Shorts. Okay, I hate all those mustaches. It's been 20 minutes and I still haven't made him eat, and I still haven't figured out the shower mechanic. Do I just pour it on him for like a long amount of time? The reason it's been 20 minutes is because I thought I was recording for 20 minutes, but I wasn't doing anything. Work shower. Oh my god, I think we're just gonna have to end it here, guys. I know. It's only like, oh, let me check timestamp. It's only like 14 minutes, but like, I guess, I'll just end it here, guys. Bye!